Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. White color, black color, yellow color. And the next one is red color, blue color, and the last one is green color. First we use black color. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of A. A for ant. And the next one is B. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. We again use black color. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now we draw E. E for egg. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we use the color of blue. Now we use blue color. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for goat. Kids, we again use blue color. Now we draw H. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for eyes. Now we draw the alphabet of J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. Kids, we again use blue color and now we draw L. L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon. Now we use the color of red. Now we use the color of red. Kids, now we draw N. N for nose. And the next one is O. O for orange. The next one is P. P for penguin. And now we draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. And the next one is S. S for snake. Now we draw T. T for tiger. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. We again use red color and now we draw V. V for vanilla. And the next one is W. Kids, now we draw X. X for X-ray. And the next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. The next one is numbers. Now we draw numbers. Now we use the color of green. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E 1. And the next one is 2. T-W-O 2. Now we draw 3. And the next one is 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids, now we draw the number of 5. And the next one is 6. S-I-X 6. Now we draw 7. And the next one is 8. Now we draw 9. The next one is 10. T-E-N. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.